Welcome. In front of me I have the Apple Watch Series 9 and a case from Spigen. This is a case slash a watch band, so it's basically a combo, and I'll go over unboxing along with a test fit for this device. So anyway, let's just get straight into it. I'm gonna begin by taking off the straps off of the watch. Disregard that. Now I did already unbox this. I'm gonna be completely honest, because like a very bright person, I tried to apply this to a Watch Ultra and was very surprised that it didn't fit. I genuinely was surprised till I find out that it's for different device, which is written on the box. Anyway, now one thing that I'll mention is this actually feels pretty premium. The strap itself might not feel the best. I will admit it kind of feels on a bit of a cheaper side, but the actual case itself, that's full metal. That is actual metal. So yeah, obviously in terms of protection, it's going to protect it pretty well. Now, let's see if we can fit the watch without actually needing to disassemble this, because it does have screws, and yep, there we go, it fits on there. Oh, and in addition, it barely interferes with the screen protector that I have already applied. It's starting to pop it up a little bit right here, but in general it actually fits over it pretty well. So there we go, that's how it fits on. Oh, it adds obviously a little bit more size to your watch, but also significantly more protection. Also, the crown, I will say, becomes very inaccessible. I do have pretty skinny hands, as you can probably tell, and even for me, my little fingers are, well, struggling with rotating this crown in a good way. So obviously that's going to be a big downside, considering the crown for Apple Watches is basically like the butter here. So people love this. I do love it myself. And from the bottom, there is no way for you to grab it. As you can see, it's basically being blocked by this. From the top, it does have a little bit of a cutout, but what you see right here is basically the only part that you can scroll through. So not accessible for scrolling, at least easy scrolling. So a bit of a bummer right here, but other than that, if you care for protecting your device, oh boy, will this protect it. I'm pretty sure in this case, when I'm dropping it, I should be worrying about the table rather than the actual watch itself. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.